DIY lovers, it's your girl Angie, and today we are diving into a whole new DIY tool. We're going to test out the Hardell Rotary Tool. Let me open the box and I'll show you everything inside. We've got this really nice case that everything comes in. So let's open it up and see the goods. So as you open it up, you can see the rotary tool is right here. And then all of the little tools that go with the rotary tool that help you engrave and buff and things like that go right here. So let's just open these up and we'll see what they look like. Let me introduce you to this beauty right here. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY newbie, this tool is about to make your life much more fun. And trust me, it's got the speed to match. 5 speeds to be exact. That's right, we have more speeds than a go-kart. Put your attachments right here. It's the Hardell DIY Rotary Tool. And when I say that this is the first choice for DIYers, I mean it. Let's talk about specs, shall we? This baby runs on a 4-volt lithium-ion battery with 200 mAh, giving you enough power to tackle all kinds of projects. And guess what? It's got USB-C charging. No more hunting down random chargers. I know we've all been there, right? I charged it up before I met you. Well, before I came on camera anyway. I probably met you before, so hi to those of you that have commented, and I've commented back. And this battery is going to give you enough power to tackle all kinds of projects. So this tool comes with 61 accessories. Let me open the package. They're organized in this nice little pack, and let me show them to you up close. See those babies? We've got sanding wheels, we've got grinding wheels, we've got cutoff discs, drill parts. There's parts for the drill right here and engrave right here. We have a handy little tool to help us. We've got everything we need to make a really cool project even cooler. Now this has multiple functions. You can drill, engrave, and even cut through wood like a champ. And we're going to test it all today. And let's not forget the built-in LED head. See, you can see that head right there. It's perfect for those times when you're working in a dark corner and you're trying to find that one screw that you dropped. You know the drill, literally. I already mentioned that it had 5 speeds. So whether you need a gentle touch or to go full speed ahead, the Hardell Rotary Tool has got you covered. Speed number 1 is perfect for engraving on things like, I don't know, a perfume bottle. And speed 5, well, that is perfect for when you need to cut through wood or sand things down like a DIY pro. Alright, enough talking. Let's get to work. First up, we're going to drill a hole in a seashell. Why? Because I'm making a beautiful piece of jewelry. And who doesn't want a seashell necklace to make a statement at the beach? So let me grab that seashell. I'm going to use the smallest drill bit possible. And you just stick it in the tube and twist to get it to stay. Just like a drill. Okay, and here we go. I'm just going to go straight up from the top here. Alright, and I have drilled a hole through the seashell. As you can see, there is a hole right there. Next up, jewelry making. Alright, so let's move on to something fun and practical. I don't know about you, but if you sew, you probably have scissors. And you're probably constantly telling, especially if you have grandkids around or kids around, you're telling them, those are my sewing scissors, they're only for fabric, don't cut paper with them. Or you just keep them hidden. But me, I have that problem. So I'm going to go ahead and engrave fabric only on these scissors, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so here we go. I do have it at the highest speed still because I want it to go real good in here. I only had room to write fabric, but let me show it to you. And keeping in mind that my handwriting is not the best. I type. So see, it says fabric. And that's just my bad handwriting. It's not the engraving. I don't write very well. I only do art very well. Now let's switch it up and do a little polishing magic. I've got this silver heart necklace that needs some love. See, it's all tarnished. And the Hardell Rotary Tool is perfect for that too. Just pop in the buffing attachment and bring that sparkle right back to life. So we're going to buff the front but not the back and see how the difference is. Okay, and we have it done. This is the before. And And this is the after. Look at her shine. It's giving jewelry store fresh on a DIY budget. Who goes there? What is a DIY project without some wood? We're going to take and cut some notches out of this, or at least one notch out of it, and see how well it works on wood. I've got my cutting wheel on. There we go. Notch out. So it even works very well on wood. Next up, we are going to sand. So we're going to sand that piece of wood and see how that works out. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Sand all around these edges. Sand in here. Make that a nice little hole. I wonder if we could just sand and make another hole. Yeah, that baby sands like crazy. Look at how much it's sanded. That's insane. Sand this whole thing off here. Sand all there. So this baby even, whoa, I just dropped it. Don't worry, they're very hardy. So if you drop them, just make sure it's on carpet. Check out this piece of wood. We sanded the part that we cut off, and then we did a little more sanding. Here you can see. And isn't that something? And then look at this side right here. See how that's all sanded off right there? Yeah, that sander works really, really well. And I probably could have used a lower speed. Okay, so we seem to have a little bit of a shell theme going on. Who doesn't love the ocean anyway, right? So what I'm going to do is actually test out the grinder on this seashell. The edges aren't even. They're like a little scratchy over here. So I'm going to use the grinder to grind all the way around it to make it nice and smooth. The side of the shell that was not smooth is now smoothed out. Now let's talk about why the Hardell tool is most important to have within your collection of tools for crafting. Compact, portable, and has all the power you need in a stylish design. Whether you're drilling, engraving, cutting, or sanding, this Hardell Rotary Tool has got your back. It's your ultimate sidekick for all things DIY. And with the built-in LED light, you'll never have to squint at your project again. And believe me, I've been there. So there you have it. The Hardell Rotary Tool is the perfect DIY partner for all your engraving, drilling, and sanding and cutting. And did I miss anything? Polishing needs. This tool does it all. If you're ready to take your projects to the next level, check out the link in the description below. And remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help support the channel. I want to thank you so much for staying with me today and checking out this review of the Hardell Rotary Tool. There'll be lots of details in the description, so be sure to read that. And I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. Peace out.